Yesterday, the Delhi police registered an FIR over sexual harassment allegations leveled by several women wrestlers against Wrestling Federation of India or WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The Delhi police said that 2 FIRs have been registered at Connaught Place police station. The first one pertains to allegations leveled by a minor victim which has been registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences or POCSO Act along with relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code or IPC concerning outraging of modesty, etc. The second FIR has been registered for carrying out comprehensive investigations into the complaints tendered by adult complainants under relevant sections pertaining to outraging of modesty. This comes after India's top wrestlers such as Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia and Sakshi Malik intensified their protest against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and asserted that they won't leave the protest site at Jantar Mantar in Delhi until the WFI chief is arrested. 7 women wrestlers had also moved the Supreme Court alleging non-registration of an FIR on their sexual harassment allegations against WFI President Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. In response to the plea, the Supreme Court had issued notices to the Delhi government and others saying that these are serious allegations requiring its consideration. Yesterday, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Delhi police, told a bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha that the FIR in the matter will be registered that day itself. On Thursday, the accused BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh released a video saying that he would wish to embrace death the day he feels helpless. He said, and I quote, "Friends, the day I introspect on what I gained or lost and feel that I no longer have the strength to fight, the day I feel helpless, I would wish death as I won't be living a life like that. Instead of living such a life, I would wish that death takes me in its embrace," he said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.